Hello and welcome to this tutorial on synchronization between Azure Active Directory and Secure Exchange's SESAR service, which enables you to centralize user and license management while ensuring full compliance with your organizational needs. Step 1. Assigning administrative rights. Before configuring synchronization, you need to assign user management rights to your SESAR license via Azure AD. To do this, access the Secure Exchanges portal and go to the Roles and Permissions section. Create a role group named Azure AD. Add the SESAR user to this group. Edit the group and check the User Management option to give it the necessary rights. Once this configuration is complete, SESAR will be able to manage users and licenses centrally. Step 2. Creating the link between Azure AD and SESAR. During the initial installation of SESAR, this connection must be configured directly in the SESAR configuration form. In this form, you must check the Synchronize with Azure AD option to activate integration. Fill in the following fields with information obtained from Azure AD. Azure AD Secret, Azure AD Application, Client, ID, Azure AD Directory, Tenant, ID. Azure AD Group Name must be Secure Exchanges _licenses. Once this information has been entered correctly, SESAR will be able to establish a connection with Azure AD and automatically synchronize users and their licenses. If SESAR has already been configured and you wish to add synchronization with Azure AD, you must manually configure the specific keys in the SESAR configuration file. You can refer to the article, How to Configure SESAR with Azure Active Directory, available in our knowledge base for detailed steps. Step 3. Creating and managing groups in Azure AD. In Azure AD, a parent group must be created to manage your users. This group must be named Secure Exchanges _licenses. Then, create the following subgroups within this parent group: Eco, Advanced, Pro, No _license. For shared licenses, also add Debase-P for shared Eco licenses, Complete-P for shared advanced licenses, Complete 2100-P for shared Pro licenses. It is imperative that you enter these names strictly and without error, to ensure that synchronization runs smoothly. Step 4. Managing users and synchronization. Once the group structure has been set up, synchronization between SESAR and Azure AD runs automatically every 5 minutes. Assigning and modifying licenses. Place each user in the subgroup corresponding to the desired license. For example, a user placed in the Pro group will receive a Pro license. If moved from Pro to Eco, their license will be updated at the next synchronization. Before synchronization works, ensure that your Secure Exchanges account is provisioned and that licenses have been purchased via the online portal. Do not place a user in 2 different groups within the Secure Exchanges _licenses parent group. To remove a user's license, place them in the No _license group. This will automatically remove all licenses and permanently delete their event logs. To completely delete a user, you must perform this action directly from the Secure Exchanges portal. Step 5. In the event of an error during synchronization, for example, an unlicensed user or an unvalidated domain, an email alert will be sent to the administrator. We recommend that you regularly check the synchronization logs and consult our knowledge base for detailed instructions. Thanks to Azure AD configuration, SESAR can manage your users and their licenses directly from Azure AD, while ensuring reliable, automatic synchronization. It couldn't be simpler. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.